So a couple of weeks ago, I sent my rings off to be cleaned because we've been married over a year now and I'm not very good at taking them off, and I know I should, but I don't. So I just wanted to show you because it's quite exciting. I feel like I'm kind of seeing it again for the first time, so don't shout at me for ripping the paper. So my rings are from Jessica Flynn Jewellery. Hang on. So these little cute boxes. I don't know which one is in which. I feel like it's Christmas. So this one is my wedding ring. So cool. And this, oh wow, this one is obviously my engagement ring. This one probably needed it more because I've obviously had it longer. But look how shiny and new it is. So this is a salt and pepper diamond. Hopefully the camera will focus. And I still love it. There we go. Back where they belong. So yeah, this is your reminder to send your rings in to go and get cleaned.